After the first indictment was dismissed, Nathan Chasing Horse has pleaded not guilty again and is now expected to go to trial. The Clark County DA's office refiled the charges following the Nevada Supreme Court decision to dismiss them. The former Dances with Wolves actor is accused of sexually abusing Indigenous women and girls for decades. He's facing charges of sexual assault, lewdness, and kidnapping, as well as felony charges of producing and possessing child sexual abuse materials. The trial is set for January.